Alright guys, this is going to be a 2 or 3 part video. For part 1, we're assuming that you have a vertical coin wallet fully synced with at least 3,750 plus coins. You need a little extra for transaction fees. If you have all that, great, because that's where we're starting from. If not, you better go buy some coins or mine. Okay, let's get started here. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the help menu. We're going to go to debug window, and we're going to go to console. And then down here in console, we're going to type in vNode GENKEY to get our GENKEY. Now, I recommend you put this in a text file and just keep track as you guys go. So vNode GENKEY, boom, put it there, and I'll just save it just for precautions. And then after that, what we can do is we leave the debug window open, and then we are going to go to we got the GENKEY. You're gonna go get account address vNode1. You can label whatever you want. Actually, I just do vNode1. If it's your first vNode. If not, do second vNode, third vNode, whatever you want to do. Okay, debug window. Get account address vNode1. Boom. Now we have account address vNode1, and we can copy that. And I can also show you guys under. If you go under file, receiving addresses, let me see here, file, receiving address, vNode1, boom, there we go. Alright, now from there we're going to send our, we'll go to send mode, put in our vNode1 address, boom, there we go, vNode1. Now we need to send exactly 3,750 VTL coins. Boom, to this address. Okay. Click send. Now it'll ask you for your encryption. For this video, I got an epic password. It's right here. I don't recommend ever using it, but for this video, this is epic. Bam. Do you want to send it? Yes. Now you can wait a little bit if you want for the transaction to go through. Check mark on it. I haven't had a problem with this. Normally I can just go to the help menu, go back to the debug window, and we can type in, or let's see here. Okay. Now I'm losing my mind here. Oh yeah, vNode outputs. My bad, guys. And this is your proof of transaction, guys. So you just copy this whole thing. We're going to take out the stupid parentheses and stuff here. I'll show you the proof of transaction. So you don't need the you don't need that there. You need the space between the 2 and the 1, or 0, whatever you got, whatever this little number is. You need space there. So this is going to be your proof of transaction for your vNode. You're going to need your GENKEY for your VPS. It's the only thing you'll need on your VPS. You can email it to yourself, put Discord on your VPS, well, whatever's the easiest way to get your GENKEY over to your VPS, you'll need that information. Okay. After that, we're pretty much done here. We got to go on the VPS and get the IP, set that up, and get the IP address. But we'll come back to this wall later. All right, thanks. Okay, guys, this is part 2 of the vertical coin masternode setup. This is where we set up the VPS. I like using Vermac. I'll put my referral link below for Vermac. But you know, create your username, create your account. And then once you get in here, go to services, and you're going to go to deploy services, and it'll open up this page here. You're looking for KVM, SSD window, VPSs. Scroll down a little bit. You're looking for the 2 gig right here, 2 gigabyte, 2 core, 40 gig space. It's $12 a month. And just order it, add it to your cart. And then you can do here at the top, it's monthly, quarterly, annually. You get 2 months free if you do it yearly if you want. That's what I do usually. Well, for this purpose, I did 1 month. Just do this video. Network speed, 1 Gbps is good. I usually do Buffalo, New York, and but whatever one's available should work. The free DDoS protection is cool. 40 gigabytes. And then the windows here. Usually I have a couple other ones, but right now you can only select this one. So again, 1 Gbps, Buffalo, New York, 40 gigabytes, and the windows. And if you're looking to run 2 vNodes off one server, you'll need additional IP address. You might have to contact them. You used to be under advanced configuration, but I didn't see it there anymore. Okay, if we got all that, you're gonna add to cart. Boom, add to cart, pay for it. Once you pay for it, it'll launch. I already have mine up and running, so we're just gonna go over there right now. So let me see here. Do I have it running? Yep, I do have it running. But in order for you guys to launch it, actually I'm gonna close mine real quick and just show you guys. But in order for you to launch your server, you're gonna go to my services. Yeah. Click on your link, whichever one is. For this case, it's the middle one right here. Click on that. And then if you scroll down, you'll see your IP address right here. You're going to need that. So just copy that, put it over here in the text file. Boom, that's your VPS IP address. Very important. Copy that, you're going to need it. Okay, once you've done that, you can go into your, by the way, it takes like 10 minutes to launch the VPS, so just get time. You'll have to set a Windows password and make sure you set the time correct and date correctly for the time zone of your server. Otherwise the wallet will bug out and it doesn't want to quite work correctly. Okay, once you get in here, you guys can, if you want, just head over to my YouTube page. I'm going to put in all the links you need below on YouTube, and get the vertical coin wallet on your VPS. Once you get it on your VPS, you're just going to start it up and then close it as soon as you can, because you're going to add one more file. And again, I'll put that information down at the bottom of the video, so you guys can just copy it. Okay, so start it up, close it, boom. Okay, now once you've done that, you're going to go to your File Explorer and make sure you click on the View and click on checkmark File Name Extensions and Hidden Items. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to find the folder you're looking for. Alright, once you've done that, you're going to go to your local C drive, and then you're going to go to Users and Administrator, because that's what we're logged in under. We're logged in under Administrator. And then App Data. See how it's a little faint? This is a hidden folder. App Data. And then we're going to go to Roaming. And Vertical Coin. Yay, we're finally here. Now in here, we have to add a verticalcoin.config file. I have one right here, verticalcoin.config. I'm just going to drag it in here, but you're going to add that in there. Make sure the wallet's closed, and you don't want the wallet open. And this is where we're going to put in our information. Right click Edit. Like I said, I'll include all this information below. Well, basically, you're going to put in this stuff here. Top's fine. You can make your own long random username, your own long password. IPS is good, listen is good, server, daemon, stamps good, good. vNode equals 1, good. External IP, this is where you're going to put your VPS IP. You're going to do it 1 here, and then you're going to put your VPS IP here. Make sure you leave the port 54111, and then you're going to put your VPS IP here. And then you're going to put your private key, or sorry, your GENKEY, your vNode GENKEY that we generated. Not right here, boom. Like I said, you could email to yourself however you want, however you got to do to get it to your VPS, email, Discord, whatever you want to do. But you got to get this GENKEY on your VPS. Okay, once you have all that information in there, you can just file save, close it. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to close this. And then you can start up your wallet. Now, if everything's correct, your wallet should start just fine. It may take a minute to sync up, but 0 hours behind. Woohoo, okay. But while you're letting that sync, you go back to your main desktop wallet. Okay, make sure it's closed. And you're going to be, I have mine in the C drive. I just messed around here. But where yours is going to be, your folder is going to be under this computer C drive. Users, whoever you're logged in under, whatever name it is. Like on the VPS, we're logged in under administrator. And it's going to be app data roaming verticalcoin. But you're looking for the vNode config file here. Okay, because we're going to have to edit that. And then the vNode config file, they give you an example right here. Well, we're going to name the masternode, well, vNode, I call them masternodes, and we're going to name MN1, or you can do vNode 1, and then we're going to put the VPS IP, boom, boom, boom. So that's your VPS IP that we got written down. Port 54111, and then your vNode GENKEY, and then your proof of transaction. This is all under the vNode config file. Once you've done that, you can save it, and then you can start up your wallet. And then let this fully sync. Give it a second, give it a few. Might take a minute, depending on how long you've had it shut down for. Excuse me, guys. A little tired here. Alright, let me see how the VPS is looking here. Oh, 75%. So it may take a minute. Very important that your time and date's correct on your VPS, otherwise your wallet won't run correctly. It's quite annoying. So this is syncing. Our main Windows wallet is syncing. You'll see once you add in that information, you'll look under vNode, you'll see it under my vNode. And while it's syncing, it's going to say missing. So you gotta let it fully sync. So, as you can see, I already had mine enabled, but I'm going to show you guys anyways. You kind of got to start it, so we'll wait. Just pretend, wait for them to fully sync both wallets. So you got your VPS wallet here. We got our main wallet there. Come on, baby, go. Sync, baby, sync. If you guys have problems with connections syncing, you can always add some nodes under the verticalcoin config file. I'll put some nodes on the in the description too, guys. I'll make your wallets sync faster. Okay, so here's our regular wallet. So we're good here. Now we got to get our VPS wallet to sync. VPS wallet has no coins in it. 0 funds. I leave them unlocked. I normally don't passphrase them. I don't think it matters personally. Okay, so now in here, on a regular Windows wallet, ones with the funds in it, you're going to go to vNodes. You're going to click on My vNodes. You're going to right click it. Start alias. And you're going to say, are you sure? Yes. And it's going to ask for your passphrase. Now I got the epic passphrase right here. I don't recommend using this ever. I'll say master MN1 successfully started. Now to verify this, you got to go back into the VPS. And you're going to go to the help menu, debug window, console, and you're going to just type in vNode status. And it usually says, now mine's been running for a little bit, it says vNode successfully started. It may say vNode preparing to start, pre-enabled. Okay. If it says pre-enabled, just give it 5-10 minutes and check it again. But as long as it says vNode successfully started, you're good to go, guys. Your vNode's up and running. Boom. You know, if you guys found this video helpful, feel free to give me a thumbs up. If you got any problems or any issues, let me know. Hit me up. I'll try to help you out with whatever I can. Congratulations on starting your first vNode. Yeah. All right. Peace out.